and there's a lot of harvest in my garden. So we're going to show you around and we're going to pick some lovely fruits and vegetables. And here we go. And here I've got pea. And as you could see, the harvest is plentiful. And how would you know they are ready? So when you feel them, you see like they're fat and chunky and they're full. So maybe I should leave it a few more days, but I'm going to show you how it is inside. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's open and see. Oh yes, this is ready. Look at those babies. Oh, Hannah is handing her hand to me. She wants to eat some. Okay, I'm going to try some. They are delicious. The sweetness is beautiful. Sweet and crunchy and pure and organic. So we're going to pick some, guys.
When I met you, something changed in me. I'm better with you than I'll ever be. 'Cause when you walk into a room, life gets...
Yeah, and those beans, the more you pick them, the more they grow. So the more you harvest, the more harvest you get.
That crunch.
Okay, now let's move to the juicy cucumbers. Look at those. Can I have some?
My love, my everything. You are my life.
That's how we know they're ready. They're sticking out. Just
Alright,
dig that
pull?
a bit. Oh, look at that. You just push down and pull. Oh, that's a lovely baby carrot.
Up fast and got a little gritty. We found love, worked hard. Bought a house with a big backyard.
Yeah, this is turnips. Whoa. Wow. Okay, come on. Yeah.
It'll be. 'Cause when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and every change.
Okay, now we have romaine lettuces. It's like a jungle, and you know the best thing to do is to just keep picking them up, keep harvesting, and they will keep on growing. They are fresh, they are beautiful. Oh wow, crunchy. You want to pick some, Nana?
I'm good. Are you gonna give some salad to take care?
Yeah. Yeah, is that enough for us today?
Yeah,
Yeah.
make a nice salad.
Oh, I love salad. I think. Hi guys, I have good news for you. You know what's going on around the world is not so good news. And the good news is Jesus is the same yesterday, today and forever. Yeah, you might think it's simple, but it's not simple. He never changed. He loves us unconditionally. He cares for us and he never changed his mind. I mean, we change our mind every single day, ups and downs, emotion comes and goes. But the good news is Jesus is the same and he reigns and he's still on the throne. And God bless you guys, and I hope you like my garden, and I hope it encourages you to plant and to harvest. And have a good day. God bless. Bye.
All I want is